Hi there. So I'm doing this video to introduce you to what I intend to do over a couple of months. So I did graduate with a first class in electrical and electronics engineering with a CGPA of 4.94 on a 5-point scale from the University of Jos. And I want to share my experience. I want to share honest stories and practical tips on what I did, how I did it, what were some of the things that worked for me and some of the things that did not work for me. I'll also be sharing a lot about academic excellence, and somewhere along the line I'll be talking about what you should do while in school and also after school in order to position yourself for opportunities. So if you are a university student anywhere in Nigeria or around the world, or you're still in your secondary school or high school, I believe that you will find some of the information that I'll be sharing very important. If you're also someone who values excellence, it doesn't matter whether it is in academics or any other aspect of your life, or you're someone who just wants to hear my story, I believe that you'll find my story and other things I'll be sharing very useful. So I want you to subscribe and keep an eye on the channel because I'll be sharing a lot of useful information and my own practical stories. So if you have specific questions, topics, challenges, or whatever it is that you want me to share or talk about, you can go ahead and drop them in the comments. I'll be going through the comments and will be selecting some of these topics or issues to talk about in my subsequent videos. This is my own way of giving back, and I hope that this will be an enjoyable journey for both me and you. Thank you.